First in intro, you can write one line about anti-defection. Here no need to write the 4 provisions of anti-defection. You are wasting your words. वो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया है. पॉलिटिकल ऑपर्चुनिज्म बहुत बढ़ रहा है. और डू यू थिंक कि एंटी डिफेक्शन हैज फेल्ड इन इंडिया? डिफेक्ट करते हैं ना, पॉलिटिकल अपॉर्चुनिस्ट ही डिफेक्ट करते हैं. दे विल डिफेक्ट राइट फ्रॉम वन पार्टी टू अनदर पार्टी. यस और नो? सो इन एनालिसिस इन इंट्रो यू कैन राइट अबाउट एंटी डिफेक्शन. ओके, व्हाट वाज द अमेंडमेंट? 52nd. You can write in 52nd Amendment Act. It came 1985 to check defection of political parties. To check defection of political parties. ये तो एक बार आया था. Now you write political opportunities are rise in Indian politics because in analysis you have to write. And one of the most important reason is the issues in the law of anti-defection. Because there are some issues in the laws of in our law, that is the reason why this is increasing. This is you have to write. Now what are the issues? ठीक है, तो पॉलिटिकल अपॉर्चुनिज्म बढ़ रहा है. See, political opportunism बढ़ रहा है. There are n number of issues. But the question is about anti-defection. So we have to stick our answers to anti-defection. बढ़ रहा है because of the flaws in anti-defection. Flaws in inner anti-defection law. क्या flaws है? एक एक करके. Role of speaker, which is prone to bias, because in a way he supports the ruling party. His biased behavior, because in a way he supports the ruling party. Second, it's coming here. No time limit. No time limit mentioned. No time limit mentioned for the speaker to decide on cases. Third क्या है? Anything else? 2/3 merger is allowed. As per the law, the 2/3 merger is misused. It came in the 91st Amendment. No need to write about 91st Amendment. Nobody is asking you. Stick to the point. It is misused nowadays. Fourth flaw.
Member being disqualified for a house also be disqualified to be a minister, but this law, anti-defection law, allows to recontest elections.
New election they can contest.
Then there is no meaning of that.
Exactly. New elections अगर होगा they can contest. Can contest new election. Suppose disqualify हो भी गया, not debarred from contesting new elections. New election he can contest. So you can, he is not debarred from. So when he is not debarred, so the purpose is failed. One more point. Another flaw. To decide, so moto cases are not there. So moto cases are not. Speaker can't take so moto cases. Somebody has to file kind of a petition. No so moto cases. Okay. So the reasons you have mentioned, But is it enough? If you are writing issues, you have to write solutions also. And your solutions are always there in the issues. इश्यू अगर आपको सही से पता है ना, तो सॉल्यूशन भी पता हो जाएगा. लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, इश्यू क्रिएट करने में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं, सॉल्यूशन को भूल जाते हैं. वहीं पे सॉल्यूशन है जहाँ पे इश्यू है. अब देखो इश्यू कहाँ पे है. फर्स्ट इश्यू स्पीकर पे है, स्पीकर का रोल बदलो. नाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट इन अ वे फॉरवर्ड. What I am suggesting, there I'll write down a court judgment which will act as a judicial angle. I'll add recent court. So recent court judgment only you can know from current affairs, if you know current affairs, because it is not mentioned in the book. You have to give a judicial pronouncement also. So after this clause, I'll write way forward or suggestions. Okay. Time limit. Amend the constitution, add a time limit for the speaker to dispose of cases. Second, recent Supreme Court judgment I'll write. Case name is Kesham Megachandra case 2020 वर्सेस मणिपुर में हुआ था. Now Supreme Court gave some guidelines. Supreme Court gave some guidelines. What to do? Supreme Court said, remove speaker from this, create an independent tribunal. Problem solved. At least that biasing problem is solved, right? That speaker bias problem is solved. Time limit problem is also solved at a time. Independent tribunal. And in independent tribunal, keep Supreme Court judges, keep High Court judges, one eminent jurist. Same thing you can write, anything. They will decide. Okay, but it also looks like an interference in legislature also. It looks, but there is interference. There is a lot of interference, we know. It's possible to solve because that problem is bigger. Speaker's interference problem is much bigger. Okay. Third, there is a merger problem. Amend that part. The government should amend that 2/3 provision or delete that provision. So in conclusion, to do all this, a huge political will is required. Because constitution को amend करना पड़ेगा. To amend the constitution, the parties should come together and do. And for political will, we need inter-party democracy. We need inter-party democracy. Close your answer.